Wow, this airport is so big. Where do I go first? Okay, let's find the check-in counter. My flight is at 10:30. Ah, there it is. Check-in. Great. Let's go.
Good morning. Can I see your passport and ticket, please?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Do you have any luggage to check in?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Okay. Please put it on the scale.
Phew, just under the weight limit. Lucky me.
Yes, it's perfect. But, oh, I see a problem.
A problem? What is it?
This suitcase has no luggage tag.
Oh no, what does that mean?
It means we cannot send this bag on the plane until it has a tag.
But I picked it up from the counter. Where is the tag?
Maybe it fell off while you were walking. Don't worry, it happens. I will print a new one for you.
Thank you so much. I was really worried.
No problem. Here is your new tag. Please check it carefully. Your flight is boarding at 10 o'clock from gate 22.
Got it. Gate 22, boarding at 10. Thank you very much. Okay, Emma, you can do this. Just don't lose anything else. That was a long flight. I'm so tired, but I'm finally here. Okay, now, time to get my suitcase. Okay, here come the bags. Not mine yet. I see more bags arriving. Maybe my bag is still coming. 5 minutes have passed, and the belt is almost empty. Wait a second. No. Don't tell me my suitcase isn't here. Oh no. The belt has stopped completely. No more bags? This can't be happening. What should I do now? Ah, there's the lost and found office. I'll go over there and ask them.
Hello. How can I help you?
Hi, my bag didn't come. It's missing.
Okay, don't worry. Can you describe your bag, please?
Yes, it's, black.
Many bags are black. Is it big or small?
It's medium.
Does it have anything special on it? A sticker, a ribbon, maybe?
Oh, yes, there's a small red ribbon on the handle.
Perfect. That helps. And what's inside the bag?
Clothes, some shoes, and, chocolate for my family?
Okay. Please fill out this form with your name, phone number, and hotel address.
Here you go.
Thank you. We will contact you when we find the bag. Usually, it takes less than 24 hours.
Really? Oh, that's good news. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Please check your phone tomorrow.
Okay, Emma, no suitcase tonight. Just you, your backpack, and your chocolate is gone. Great start. Well, at least the staff will try to find my bag. For now, I have to continue my trip with only the things in my backpack. Wow, so many people. Buses, taxis, everything is moving so fast. Okay, now how do I get to my hotel? Should I take a taxi or the bus? A taxi is easy, but maybe too expensive. The bus is cheaper, but which one do I take? Maybe I can ask that person for help. Excuse me, can you help me, please?
Of course. What do you need?
I want to go to the Royal Hotel. Which bus should I take?
The Royal Hotel. Let me think. Yes, you need bus number 15. It stops right here.
Great. Thank you very much.
No problem. Have a nice trip.
Okay, here is bus number 15. Perfect. Let's get on the bus and talk to the driver. Hello, one ticket to the Royal Hotel, please?
Royal Hotel? This bus does not go there.
What? But it's number 15.
This is bus 15A, not 15.
Oh no. What's the difference?
Bus 15 goes to the city center. Bus 15A goes to the park.
The park? Oh no, I don't need the park.
Don't worry, you can get off at the next stop and change buses.
Okay, thank you very much. This is not the hotel, but wow, the park looks nice. Maybe I should visit later. All right, where's the right bus? Let's ask again. Excuse me, how can I get to the Royal Hotel? Oh, that's easy. Take bus number 10 from here. It goes directly to the Royal Hotel. Finally, thank you so much. You're welcome. Good luck. Finally, I'm on the right bus. What a relief. But, oh, now I'm really hungry. I can't wait to eat something. Okay, here I am in the city at last. I'm tired, but more than anything, I'm hungry. Oh, perfect, a restaurant. I'll go inside and get something to eat.
Good evening. Welcome. Table for one?
Yes, just for me, please.
This way. Here is the menu.
Everything looks interesting, but I don't understand some names. Fire dragon soup? What is that?
Are you ready to order?
Yes, but first, what is fire dragon soup?
Ah, that is a very spicy soup with a lot of chili. Very, very hot.
Oh, no, thank you. I don't like spicy food.
Good choice.
Okay, then I would like chicken with rice, please.
Very good. And to drink?
Just water, please.
Perfect. I'll bring it soon.
Oh, I think this is not what I ordered.
Really? Let me see. This is spicy dragon soup.
Oh no, I said no spicy food.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Maybe I made a mistake.
It's okay, mistakes happen. But can I please have the chicken with rice instead?
Of course, right away.
Okay, maybe just a little taste. Oh, no, too hot, too spicy. Water, water, water.
Here you are, chicken with rice. No more fire dragons.
Thank you. This looks much better. Finally, I can enjoy my meal. That was delicious. But I've learned something important today. Always check the order carefully before eating. Wow, what a long day. I'm so tired, but also happy. Finally, I've made it to my hotel. Time to check in and get some rest.
Good evening. Welcome to the Royal Hotel. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I booked a single room for tonight. The name is Emma Brown.
All right, let me check. Emma Brown. Yes, I see your reservation.
Perfect.
But I'm sorry, it says your reservation is for next week.
Next week? That can't be right. I booked it for tonight.
According to the system, the check-in date is Saturday, the 21st.
But today is Saturday the 14th. Oh no, I made a mistake.
Don't worry, it happens often. Let me check if we have any free rooms tonight. We are almost full, but we do have one small room left.
Small? How small?
Well, it's usually for staff or storage, but it has a bed and a bathroom.
A storage room? Well, I don't care. I just need to sleep.
All right, please fill out this form. Here is your key, room 205.
Wow. This is tiny. I can't even open my suitcase in here. Oh well, at least it's a bed. After today, even a closet feels like a palace. And that's the end of my story, the travel mishap. What a day it was! My suitcase went missing. I took the wrong bus. I almost ate the spiciest soup in the world. And my hotel room was smaller than a closet. But you know what? I learned something important. Even when things go wrong, you can stay calm, smile, and find a solution. Now, let's remember some useful English phrases from my trip. Can I see your passport and ticket, please? Can you describe your bag? Excuse me, how can I get to the Royal Hotel? I would like chicken with rice, please. There must be a mistake with my reservation. These are phrases you can really use when you travel in English-speaking countries. So, my friends, practice them, repeat them, and try to use them in your own daily English learning. Thank you for listening to my adventure today. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. See you next time for another English story.